tụi nó có tụi phong như tụi nó có liền nia có tụi phong như trong chấp lại nia president học với ba mong club president học student senate thế tụi chân tàu và phải chấp là học với lúc chỉ ya mà chào nè vào tay ra
And because the pipes came from the daughters of the heavens, the earth, and the sea, when it was blown, it spoke words. Words that both moon and spirits could understand.
신지도 그냥
신지도 그지
신지도 그 저tillo
신지도 tụi phong như
신지도 그냥 체크지야
신지도 구정 vin정
Today's topic, we are going to be talking about current teen events, and we are going to start off with how you guys feel about a woman president.
Personally, I think that, especially her being a female, she probably can't handle all the pressure.
So, what are you trying to say? Trying to say that only guy could take the
I'm-
pressure of it?
No, the point is that, there's going to be like a lot of pressures on it with political debates and stuff and like war issues and the whole thing about, just health concerns. And I just think she can't handle it.
I'm proud to be Asian because I know the history of my people. Our roots go deep like of a mighty tree. Our foundation stabilized growing from the deep darkness of the earth, while we, the branches, strive for the light of the sun.
I'm proud to be Asian because we are all family. Strangers become aunt and uncles, peers become brothers and sisters. Though we are isolated, we will never be alone.